Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Talk Channel, the place where English doesn't have to be a headache. I'm Emma.
Ouch. Ouch. Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone. Please don't touch me. I am fragile today.
Rahul, oh my goodness, what happened to you? You look terrible. Why is your leg in a cast?
Well, Emma, I took your advice too seriously. You told me to go audition for the theater play, right?
Yes.
You texted me, break a leg.
Yes, that is a common idiom. It means good luck.
Well, I didn't know that, Emma. I thought it was an instruction, so I fell down the stairs. And now my leg is actually broken.
Oh no, Raoul. I am so sorry, but that is hilarious. You poor thing. That is exactly why we need today's episode.
Yes, today we are talking about 5 most common idioms, phrases that sound crazy but mean something completely different.
We need to save Raoul from more accidents. But before we fix him up, we have a favor to ask.
Yes, if you don't want to end up in the hospital like me, please subscribe to Easy English Talk channel.
And click the like button. It costs nothing.
Unlike my hospital bill, which was expensive, but we will talk about that later.
Okay, Raoul. Let's start with idiom number 1, break a leg. As I said, this does not mean you should hurt yourself.
I know that now, Emma. Thanks for the late information.
It is used specifically for performances, acting, singing, or giving a speech. Actors are superstitious. They think saying good luck is actually bad luck, so they say break a leg instead.
Weird logic, but okay. So if my friend has a singing concert, I say break a leg.
Correct. If my friend has a job interview, can I say it?
I think good luck is better for interviews. Break a leg is mostly for the stage.
Exactly, you got it.
Okay, idiom number 2. Why am I holding this cake?
I was wondering that. Are you hungry?
No, I'm holding it because this English lesson is a piece of cake.
Ah, very clever. A piece of cake means something is very easy.
Yes, like eating cake. It is easy to do. Nobody struggles to eat cake. See? Easy.
So fixing a computer, not a piece of cake, but tying your shoes?
Piece of cake. Unless you're a baby.
True. The math test was a piece of cake. It was easy. Making this podcast is a piece of cake.
Well, for you maybe. For me, it is hard work. I'm sweating.
You're doing great. Now let's look at your bandage, idiom number 3.
Yes, my hospital bill. The doctor gave me the bill and I almost fainted. It cost an arm and a leg.
Ooh, that's a good one. To cost an arm and a leg means something is very expensive.
It means you have to sell your body parts to pay for it.
Luckily, we don't actually sell our limbs, but it feels like it. New cars cost an arm and a leg.
Going to Disneyland costs an arm and a leg.
Living in New York City costs an arm and a leg.
But subscribing to Easy English Talk costs 0 arms and legs.
Nice plug, Raoul. You're a marketing genius.
I try. So, I have broken my leg, I ate my cake, and I paid my expensive bill. Now I'm tired.
That brings us to idiom number 4. When you're very tired, what do?
I go to sleep.
Correct. But the idiom is hit the hay.
Hit the hay, like punch some dry grass? Take that, grass.
No fighting. Hay is dried grass. In the old days, mattresses were made of hay, so hit the hay means to go to bed.
Ah, historical English. I like it. I'm exhausted. I'm going to hit the hay.
It's midnight, time to hit the hay.
Can I say hit the sack?
Yes, hit the sack means the same thing.
Hit the bed?
No, we don't say hit the bed, just hay or sack.
Okay, I'm going to hit the hay. Does that mean I have to sleep in a barn with cows?
No, you can sleep in your nice, comfortable bed.
Good, because cows snore.
Finally, idiom number 5. Raoul, you look a bit pale. Are you okay?
Honestly, Emma, my leg hurts, my arm hurts, and I ate too much cake. I'm feeling a bit under the weather.
Bingo, that's the last one. To be under the weather means to feel sick or not well.
Why weather? Is it raining on my head?
It comes from sailors on boats. When the weather was bad, stormy, the sailors would go under the deck to not get seasick. They were literally under the weather.
Wow, Emma, you're a walking encyclopedia. So if I have a cold, I say, I'm feeling a bit under the weather.
Yes, I can't come to work today. I'm under the weather.
I ate 5 pizzas and now I'm under the weather.
Exactly. It's a polite way to say you're sick without giving details. You don't have to say, I'm vomiting. You just say, I'm under the weather.
That's much nicer. Nobody wants to hear about the vomit.
Agreed. So, Raoul, let's review our 5 idioms before you actually fall asleep.
Let's break it down.
1. Break a leg, meaning good luck for a performance. Don't actually break your bones.
2. Piece of cake, meaning very easy, like eating delicious dessert.
3. Cost an arm and a leg, meaning very expensive. I need a loan for this.
4. Hit the hay, meaning go to sleep. Good night, time to hit the hay.
5. Under the weather, meaning feeling sick. I need some soup and a blanket.
Wow, we learned a lot. I feel smarter, but I also feel more pain in my leg.
You should probably go home and rest, Raoul.
Yes, I'm going to hit the hay early tonight. Hopefully, recovery will be a piece of cake.
And hopefully the doctor bill won't cost another arm and a leg.
Too late for that.
Before we let Raoul go nap, we have a question for our listeners.
Yes, we want to know your stories. In the comments below, tell us, what is something you bought recently that cost an arm and a leg?
Did you buy a new phone? A car? A fancy dinner? Tell us.
My cast cost an arm and a leg. Literally.
Tell us in English. Practice the idiom.
So please write a comment and subscribe to Easy English Talk.
Give us a big thumbs up.
Thank you for listening. I'm going to the hospital now. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Get well soon, Raoul.
Hobling. Piece of cake. Ouch. Piece of cake.